So this is Sunday morning, and I'm going to have my guitar lesson. Afterwards, I will go to the service to have a check on my motorbike. This is my Insta 360. I installed here to record the riding, and also as I said before, there's a problem on my front brake. I think brake is getting really soft. Perhaps maybe the braking pad is getting thinner or too thin, or there are something wrong with the oil. With the braking oil, because it's raining a lot this summer in Beijing. Never like this before. Maybe the moisture percentage is getting high, or I'm not sure. It's definitely not leaking, but currently it's in a straight position. But when I'm getting it down, I'm sure I can see the oil level is getting lower. So I'll check afterwards to see, do I need to change the oil, or I have to change a pair of the braking pads. My supervisor's home is quite far from where I'm living, around 38 kilometers away, and afterwards I'm going to the service. It's in another totally different place, still far away from here. So I will have a long ride day today. When you pump it, it's getting harder and harder. After a while, when you put it somewhere, it's getting soft, and also the liquid level is low in this position. Alright, let's go. Beijing, motorcycles are not allowed to ride on the top of the ring road, so you have to wait for the traffic lights.这他妈直行道，你说这有什么可逼逼的呀？这真的是，这人都往里压的。是。这要停一汽车，他怎么办呀？他也逼逼吗？也给他让道吗？啊。The last traffic light, what happened was, the guy next to me was parking in the lane that which is straight plus the right turn. And in China, if you're right turn, you don't have to wait for the traffic light if there's no significant traffic sign of the forbidden of the right turn. So when he was parking there, one of the car, I think the car was trying to turn right, and the car was just beeping him to let him, just right to park on the side way, to give him a way to to turn right, but it's not. I mean, it's not right, isn't it? If it is a vehicle, I mean, if it is a car just parking there, would he still be? I mean, leaving? I don't think so. Okay, just finished my class, so now we are heading to the service center. Right, so here we are. Yeah, so it has been checked by the technician. The technician said something wrong with the pump. He consider it's it's leaking pressure. I don't know the proper name, but what he means is it's leaking the pressure. So I'd better to change it. But they are out of stock, so they have to order it. It will take around 1 week to arrive. So afterwards he will call me, and I will come back to change the whole pump. So this is the whole story. Then I'm driving back home. I'm riding back home now. Right, so that's Ridden.